Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, in today's video we are going to discuss about Arduino Uno. So starting with some specification of Arduino Uno. So Arduino Uno is a popular microcontroller board based on the 𝒟𝒃𝓃𝒾𝓈𝒽 microcontroller. It is part of the Arduino family and is widely used in electronics projects due to its simplicity and versatility and open source nature. The Uno is ideal for beginners and experts alike, offering an easy to use platform for developing embedded system and learning programs. So the first one is RX0. As you can see over here, the receive pin is used for receiving serial data during UART communication. The second one is TX1 over here. Mm, This is the transmit pin which is used for transmitting serial data via UART communication. The third one is A0, O, A1, A2, A3, A4, and A5. These are analog pins. They are used to read analog signals such as data from sensors and convert them into digital values using the ADC analog to digital converter. Okay, so the fourth one is from pin 2 till pin 13 are digital pins, and 11 can also function as PWM pulse with modulation output, useful for controlling motors or dimming LEDs. Okay, so now let's talk about power and ground pins. So the first one is G and D, the ground pin. Ground pin provides a reference voltage of 0 volts for the circuit. The second one is AREF, of analog reference. Analog reference allows you to set an external reference voltage for analog inputs, overriding in the default 5 volt or 3.3 V reference. Okay, so 5V supplies regulated 5 volts to power external components or circuits, while 3.3V supplies regulated 3.3 volts for lower voltage components. Okay, so the third one is VIN, and it stands for voltage input. Voltage input is where power is supplied to the Arduino when it is not connected via USB, typically between 7V and 12V. Okay, so now let's move forward and talk about reset. The reset pin is used to restart the Arduino program execution. Hmm. IOREF. It stands for Input Output Reference, provides the voltage level that the microcontroller operates at, enabling shields and modules to adapt into the board's voltage for compatibility. Now let's talk about the button which is provided over here in the Arduino Uno. So this is the reset button, and this is the Arduino connector for your PC or laptop, and this is when you upload the programming code to your Arduino Uno. You will be you have to connect a 9-volt battery to your Arduino Uno, and your LED lights or motor will work automatically.